Can you hide following list on Instagram? As of now, Instagram does not provide an option to completely hide your following list from others. However, there are a few privacy settings you can adjust to limit who can see your following list. So basically, first go to your profile and tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the account privacy. Then make sure that you have the private account toggled on. Once your account is private, only approved followers can see who you are following. Then, if there are certain individuals you don't want to see your following list, then you can also block them. When you block someone, they won't be able to see your profile, post, or following list. All you have to do is look for the person's profile you want to block. Go to the person's profile, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select block option available from there. While these options can help limit who can see your following list, there is no built-in feature to completely hide it from everyone on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.